Hello everyone, let's start a new video on Azure DevOps Sprint on YouTube, and I'll talk about on Sprint 144, and this feature is restore delete project. Now you can restore your delete project until 28 days that was delete your project, okay? To do this, of course, first I will delete my project. I click on Project Settings Overview and click on Delete Project. Type my respective project and delete it. Okay? My project does not exist. Okay? And now I will restore this project. To do this, I will use REST APIs using Postman. Okay? First, I will use method get to list all deleted projects. Okay, I will click on send and I will verify that my project deleted was deleted. Of course, status deleted. Okay, I will get this respective ID and I will use method patch to restore my project. Okay, I use this REST API project and on body I will use a respective state wellFormed to restore my respective team project. I will send my path method and my status is not set. I will refresh my organization and my respective team project deleted was restored. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.